Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're replacing this drop link on a Kia Sportage. Start off by raising the vehicle up on both sides, and then we're going to clean up the threads with some maintenance spray and a wire brush. I'm using it on a drill, but you can use a hand one, whatever you've got available to you. Just makes the next stage easier. Once you're happy with that, we're going to tackle the nut on the end now. Since this one's a 17mm, but if you've got an aftermarket one already fitted to yours, then that could be different. So you'd have to guess it, I guess, on yours. And then you're going to use a 17mm. There's a shoulder on the back. If you line up the 17mm spanner with that, and then just crack it off, the nut off whilst holding the spanner, and then that will come loose. It might get tight. If it gets tight, twist it back around again, and then spray some more maintenance spray or WD-40 or whatever you've got there on it to loosen it off, and then keep doing that slowly until it comes off. Now if you've got the whole front end up, this should just slide out nicely through the back. If you haven't, it'll be a fight. We're just going to repeat the same process on the bottom one. Just hold it on that shoulder and just work it back and forth. These ones are relatively friendly. Yours might put up a bit more of a fight. You might need heat or end up cutting them off. But this is how you do it easily, I suppose. Just turned into one of those YouTubers, don't I, that makes every job look easy when really actually is a nightmare for you. Now we're just going to clean up these surfaces where the new one's going to go back, so there's no corrosion in the way, so it sits flush. You don't want it ski with, because it could end up working loose and things. And then we're going to refit the new one. So these new ones, they're Delphi ones, so they're not actually original Kia ones, but they're original quality. But it means the nut, instead of it being a 17mm, this one's a 19mm. So that might be something that you come up against, that your ones are already a 19mm. So you're going to almost have to ignore the sound, not the sound, the size. But the same principle applies. These are nice and firm because they're new, so I don't need to hold the back of it. I can just tighten it up. And tighten that all the way down, and then tighten the top one all the way down, and the job's done. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.